General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Purezidenti wa Uganda kandi uri kusherera karura karamuto mu ntebe abwenchiro ya kana yasiba mu Butaleja na Tororo. Abebembezi bamushabo kubombekyera fakitore y'omuceeri hamwe n'enguuto kwenda kwangusa eby'omushuburo hamwe n'abanyakenya. Aba bagaruka bamushaba okukora oruguuto rukunywanisa Butaleja, Budaka na Tororo rukucwekanisa riva Manafa ngu kandi n'orutindo rukacweka abantu nyamwingi bagwiremu.
In 2006, you gave us a town council in the name of Soil Town Council. At that time, they had a population of about 16,000. It has since increased. There are all the factors that propel the awarding of all creation of the municipality. They are present in Missouri. We are kindly requesting your honorable. We are kindly requesting you, President of National Flag for the party, to kindly, within the father heart, create the Musori municipality. I don't need to talk about the advantage of the municipality. Everybody is aware that wants to have the municipality.
President Museveni mukugamba n'abahagizi be yabasima entunguka y'ibariyo nibakora omukoresa amizi g'enyanja okuhinga omuceeri ekiyajja ngu nibarinda obuhangwa nkana n'abandi biine kubareeberaho.
Development. The Nkulakulana is what you are talking about. The only remaining issue here are the two roads of Nabumali, Butaleja, na Mutumba Road. And then the one of Busorwe na Gongera up to Tororo. The delay is caused by the way of people bringing too many things for budgeting. You need to work to learn the way we work in the bush. The members of parliament and even the population needs to be clear about that. Even the population. Because if you say we want this, you want 100 at the same time, that's not good.
Ahabya magara Museveni yajangu Butaleja mu nkirere kwija government neza kombekyera amagombora abiri agatine marwaro za health center za kashatu ogunajangwa amashanyarazi mu district ya Butaleja amagombora gona gatungira amashanyarazi kandi gomboremwe sigire ya hamitu nabone baza kugatu. President Museveni yabashabo koro bhinji no buriso burugoba kandi yabashabo koso kuhinga barupfuhira bareke kuhinga mu bisharara.
Musikimu eyiba ngindi hamu batamo utama maji ohule hamu malungu
eyo kufikirira amazi siya kulima mu rutobazi
eyo hujuhira amaji ohuleha ohulima mu malungu yagatali scheme.
So therefore, number 3 contribution of the NRM to Uganda is Obwegyese.
Kale ehitu ehufuniremo mu NRM mu government nje hitu hyobugaga.
We don't accept abantu who gonna. We don't accept people who gonna to sleep.
Siwihirisa batu ohungenyuha.
And not mix development with wealth.
Yagamba nebikwatirina kwesharinga kwa bashomesa barukushaba ngo babongize omushara.
Our own children says you must pay us more salary now.
Abaana befe nga bose bamwayo balomati anganguma musalo utongera hati
If you don't, we stop work. What sort of country is that?
Uganda yali hii.
That's why we say, please, can you wait? Can we first do Nabumari Road and the other one, and then we can do the salary later?
Nyenkyakare, President Museveni ajja kusherera Tororo mu district ya Busia na Namutumba. Ndi Anita Tukunda.